Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do my plan with me or setup of my food log or food diary. I have not done this in I don't know how many weeks. I guess since you saw the last video, that was the last time I did a setup for keeping track of my food. I've been sick, so I didn't really care about what I was eating. It was just a struggle to eat. So anyway, I did finally have time to set up my traveler's notebook. This is the Wal-mart Pen+Gear traveler's notebook. I use die cuts from Little Magic Prints, Coco's Vision. All of these are Coco's Vision, and then this one is from JD in Brooklyn. And I will leave links to the shops in the description box below. And I also have coupon codes for Coco's Vision and for JD in Brooklyn. This is from GlitterNGlamSquad, and I just put it on this page marker that I made. It has a pocket here. I just haven't put anything in there. And I just put an eyelet here and put the bow on the chain in the eyelet, and then this is the back. This is a sticker from the Happy Planner, one of the Happy Planner books, and so is this one. So I thought that came out pretty cute, and I'm just leaving it tucked in the front. It can also be used as a writing board. I had these little pom-pom paper clips. This die cut is from JD in Brooklyn. I put some jelly sheet in here, and then here is my insert that I made. Here's the folder. I haven't really done anything with that yet. And of course, one of the inserts that came with it. And then this is my Dollar Tree insert that I covered with washi. There is a video on my IGTV showing how I did that. Then here in the back, I have some more die cuts from JD in Brooklyn. I don't remember the name of the shop this one came from. It says Planning My Best Life, but I will link to it in the description box below. This is a Simply Gilded seal, and then one of my graphics in the back there, as well as the pink pumpkins are my graphics as well. So that's basically it. I just want to show that real quick. And this is the insert, again, from Dollar Tree that I'm using as a food log or diary. So I'm going to take that out. So let's jump up here to week 43. I missed quite a few weeks here of this. Yeah, I was not feeling well. Okay, so also I have this digital from JD in Brooklyn. I am still having issues with the blade in my Silhouette Cameo. I bought a new one and the same thing happened to it, but anywho, so it's cutting through the paper instead of kiss cutting, but I can still use the sticker, so that's no big deal. But I decided I would use this witch this week, and I think I'm going to use the biggest one. And I need to pull out some washi, which I have not done. I think I can use this black and white washi. This is from Walmart. And I think I want something a little more Halloween-y. Okay, I had to go dig out some Halloween washi. I'm surprised that most of the Halloween washi I have is really cartoony. And I don't know what I was going through when I bought it, but that is really not my style. I think this is as cartoony as I'm willing to go. So this is what I'm going to use. Definitely. I'm going to need to white this out. I've got glitter fallout all over my desk, and I was taking pictures earlier for some items that I put on Macari, and one of the items had some glitter on it, and it's just made bit of a mess. Okay. I'm trying to position this so that I can see it well and get everything lined up the way I want it lined up. Yep. There we go. So it's gonna overlap the first box a little bit, but I'm not going to worry about trimming washi tape down to fit the space today. But it does have a little, well, I'm just going to smooth it out. It has a little ripple effect right there, but I'll just leave it. And I'm just going to bring it all the way across. There we go. Try to keep it as smooth as possible. Probably should have cut some pumpkins. I may do that. Or maybe I'll just save my pumpkins for Thanksgiving. Okay. Since I haven't done this in a while, I want this to be fun. And I probably should have saved this for next week because it is Halloween next week, not this week. But I want to get use out of my Halloween stuff as much as possible. So there we go. Okay. So I can use this washi. Like so. And I don't have anything to alternate it with. Unless I use some of my new washi from Simply Gilded, or I've never actually, maybe I can use this. I mean, it's not really orange, but it's got the fall vibes, right? Let's see what it looks like. I need to get some use out of it. It's just a color that I don't use often, so let's get some use out of it. And it kind of blends in with the orangey colors in the jack-o'-lantern. I have to say, I really like the Walmart washi tapes. They're doing much better than they did with that original set that they had come out. It was kind of yuck, but this last round is quite nice. So if I am not consistent with keeping up with what I'm eating this way through the end of the month, then I may have to do something else because I really need to keep track. So that looks pretty nice. That was easy. Okay, let's see. Maybe I won't use the biggest one. I'll use the second biggest one. Do I want to put her in the middle? See if I can even get her off. There we go. Peel this off. I'm not crazy about her outfit. I'm not into this type of Halloween costume, if you know what I mean. I don't want to say it and get demonetized. I don't want the YouTube people after me, so, but I don't do that type of costume. I guess I don't know. Maybe I'm a prude. I don't know. Anyway, but these are from JD in Brooklyn, if you're interested. It's available as a digital and printed stickers. So, now I think I want to, for my days of the week, I guess I could use my stickers. If you're a Patreon member, you already have access to the days of the week stickers. And I'm not sure if I'm going to come out with the days of the week, the months, or an insert. I think I'm going to do an insert this weekend. I know I'm going to add something this weekend. I just haven't decided what I'm going to add. But yeah, so I had used these stickers on another spread, so they're already kind of coming up, and I took them off because I didn't like the way it looked. So I'm using those first off of here. So if you're not a patron, you can go over, I'll leave the information in the description box. You can go over and check it out and see what it's all about. And I do offer digitals over there, so it's a pretty good deal, at least I think so. Okay, let's do Sunday. So that looks kind of cute. So I guess I'm just going to leave the numbers for the week, for the days, as is. And I guess that's going to be it for this spread. That was quick. Perfect example of me having no real idea of what I wanted to do other than to use this sticker. So I will fill this in throughout the week. Hopefully I will stick to it with what I eat each day. And yeah, we'll see how it goes by the end of the week. Let's pop this back in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's quick, but I just want to pop on and share the process. And if I can find the center here, I'll let you know next week how I did. If you like videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!